How to view someone's Instagram story without them knowing? There are a couple of methods you can try, but keep in mind that Instagram can change how story views are tracked. One option is to use a separate account that isn't connected to your main profile. Another method is to use airplane mode, although this isn't guaranteed to work on every version of Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Wait for the stories at the top of your feed to load. Once the story you want to view has loaded, don't open it yet. Now, turn on airplane mode to disconnect your phone from the internet. Then, return to Instagram and open the story that was already loaded. After viewing it, don't turn airplane mode off immediately. Instead, completely close the Instagram app first. Once Instagram is fully closed, you can turn airplane mode off and reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Keep in mind that this method may not prevent your story view from being recorded, especially with newer versions of Instagram, so there is no guaranteed way to anonymously view a story from your main account. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful Instagram tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.